Hey everybody, today we're going to be drawing Sonic the Hedgehog. It's going to be heaps of fun. Here's Sonic right now. Hi Sonic, let's go and get started. So today I'll be using a marker for the outline, and then I'll use some textures later to colour in, and obviously some paper so that I'm not drawing on the table. So let's start with our marker, and we're just going to draw the top of the eyebrow sort of shape. So we're going to come just above halfway on the page, and we're just going to do a U shape like this. And then off that U shape, we can come and we'll do the eyes. So these are going to come off the top here, and we're just going to bring them down and then back in right below just here. And then we'll come to the other side and we'll do these ones. There. Cool. It's like a mask or something. That's cool. And now we can draw the nose. So this comes off the base part of the eyes. It's like just a circle that connects to the base of the eyes. Now let's draw the ears. So we're going to come up a little way, actually, up here, and we're just going to do a little sort of A shape there, around there. And then we'll do the exact same thing on this side. So then we'll do another A there. And then inside the A shape, we can do another little shape, sort of like the insides of his ears. So then here, and then we'll do another one here. There. Looks a little weird, but let's connect it now so that it makes sense. So we're going to come to the left ear, and we're just going to do a little curve shape up and off like that. And then off that, we'll do a big curve around like this, and then we'll bring it back down into the second ear. So that's like the tuft of hair on the top of his head. And then we can come to the sides, and he's just got some big sort of, they're like big down A shapes for the fur here. So down and then back in, and then we'll do the same thing here. So it comes off the ear and then back and then down again for this one. Try and line them roughly up so that they're even with each other as well. And I'll stop them around here because we've got to draw the face, the rest of the head. Was it just me, or did everybody else notice that he looks a lot like an old man with a beard? And his beard nearly looks as good as my one, except I like mine more. So we're going to come off the side of the eye here. So either side, they're both the exact same, and we'll just do a little curve off like that. And we'll come to this side, line it up, little curve off the same distance. And then we're just going to bring them down and connect it with the fur. I think I'm just going to bring this fur up a little bit higher. And we'll connect this one as well. There. And then on the inside, we can draw the a little smile there. It's like a sideways smile we're doing this one. It's like a little straight line, and then we're going to curve it and just sort of fade off quickly at the end like this. And then off the side of the mouth here, there's sort of two little lines. Quick, just do a quick curvy line so that it does a nice little fade off at the end like this. Now we can draw sort of the arms and stuff. So we're going to come just here, and we're just going to draw, the body, sorry. And we'll just do a little curve for the body, for the outside. And we'll come to the left, and do this same thing. Just try and get them both really even. And they just come down a little way. They're not connected to the head because the arms go to the head. These are just the sides of the body. Now we can draw the arms. So come off the head, and we'll just do a little curve down to just above the end of these lines here. So then we'll do the same thing on this side. There, rough. Ooh, that's a bit further. That's all right. They're both pretty even. So just try and get them even. That's sort of what we're trying to do. And then we can draw the second part of the arm, which comes off the side of the body. So this is another little curve, and it comes down in line with this one. So they're like two parallel curvy lines. There. All right, now let's draw the sort of like cuff things on his hands. So it's sort of like do a curve off one side, and then a curve on this side. It's like a C shape. And then off that C shape, we do another little C shape. There's a backward C on this side. There's a C on this side. And then we'll do the same thing over here. So we got our C and another C, and then backwards and a backwards C. And then we can just connect them with a line at the end here. There. All right, we need to draw the legs because it looks a bit weird right now. So we're going to come just off the end of the body here, and we're just going to do a nice big curve down like this. Then we'll do the same thing here. It sort of curves down, bring them roughly around there in line with each other. And then we're going to come to the inside and we'll just do another curve that just comes, it starts just below this little point in here. So then we'll do that same thing there and just connect them with a little curvy line on top like that. Then on the inside of the body, we can do a big sort of oval circle shape like that for the tummy area. So now let's draw the feet bracket things like whatever these ones are here. So they're basically backward C, C, backward C, C shape there. And we'll do the same thing here. So the backward C, C shape, backward C, and just connect it there. So let's draw the feet. So we're going to come down just off this bracket part here, and we're just going to draw a curvy line that comes out to the right and down. And then we'll come to the back and we'll just do a big curve around like this. And then off the front part, we just do one more little bump at the end. And then we can just connect them both together with a straight line. And then we're just going to draw the sole of the shoe. So we'll do a straight line to connect the back to the front of this bump here. And then we'll try and do the exact same thing here, right here. So we're going to come to the front, big curve down, and then the little bump on the end, and then the back, another curve. Try and get them roughly the same size as well, and then connect it with a straight line, and then the sole of the shoe again. There. All right, now we're going to just draw 2 stripes down each shoe like this. 1, 2. Let's draw the hands now. He needs the hands. So we'll come off this bracket part here. I don't know what that is on the hands, but we'll come off that. And we're just going to do a big curve for the thumb. And then at the end of the thumb, we'll just do a little line like that. So we'll do the same thing over this side. Big curve and then the line. And then off the thumb, we can do this big curvy shape like this for a finger. And then off that finger, you're just going to do another curve. And then one more to finish it off. And that connects back to the hand, the bracket part back here. So we'll do the same thing over here. So curve off the thumb. Let's bring that in a little bit more. And then a curve of that finger. And then a curve of that and connect it back there. Good. Now, we're going to come back to this bracket section. And we're just going to do a little curve at the end of each one for the arm. Alright, now we've got to draw the eyes and then we'll be ready to colour. So we're going to come back up here to this mask section thing and we're going to draw 2 big oval shapes like this. So then line it up back here. There. Roughly the same size as well if you can. And then inside both of them, there's another oval shape that's black, but we want to leave room for just a little white circle bit here. So just draw a tiny little white circle there and color the rest in black. And then we'll try and do the same thing over this side. So the whole thing except the circle there. Good, so they should look roughly like that. All right, it's time to color now. I'm going to speed this part up, but just pause it whenever you need to. Let's go. Well, we completely finished drawing Sonic the Hedgehog, and I think it looks really, really good. I just went over everything with a marker again after I'd coloured it so that you can see all the black lines really clearly. Remember for drawing with me today, guys, because I had heaps of fun. I'm sure you did too. I'm sure you drew us great in the end, and I'll see you in the next video.